Hey guys, this is Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad, and today's video is about sending emails in Safelist. Um, I did create a video before and I had some issues. It seems to happen once in a while. I don't know why it does, but I've had success this evening, so I thought I would redo my video for you. And if all works out, I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please hit the little notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you can get more videos as I upload them. So without further ado, this one shouldn't be too long, as I know they can be sometimes. So sorry about that, guys. But anyway, here I am inside of Web's Best Mailer, which is one of the sites within Matthew Graves' Safelist site email system. Since I just sent an email through Web's Web Biz Insider, I'm going to choose a different site to send an email from. So let's try. I think it's been a while since I've used this one. So as you saw, I clicked on, there's a list down here with all of the sites that are connected together within this system. And I'm going to send an email out through 100% mailer, and it's going to get sent to all of these with one, well, kind of one click. 3 clicks maybe, but it's so easy and it's awesome. So here on the left of the page is my dashboard, and I'm going to click on send emails, and below that send an email, and it says congratulations, I have enough credits to email the entire active membership of 2,077 members. So I'll click on the green button, click the button to schedule, and it says, holy smokes, I can't send an email until the 13th, but that's fine because what I'm promoting doesn't launch till the 15th. So I will click on the 13th to book that. And the 13th was a Saturday. People are busy on Saturdays, so I think I'll send it later at night. Let's choose 7 Eastern, which is, let's go 8 Eastern. I'm a marketer and I work all times of day, but a lot of family people, maybe they don't get to sit down to their computer until after 8 o'clock. So I will change this to PM and click to enter my email info, and I'll put in a title, a subject title. And as you can see, I have submitted emails through the system before. And here's another thing, when you email through the system, it doesn't matter if I'm using this one or any of the other affiliate sites, all of your subjects are saved. So they're all in this sort of drop down area. So I already used this one today, so I'm going to use this one. And in the email body, I have an email set up here. I just used this one and I'll use it again because this is it'll be sent out days after my last one. And I'll copy and paste that. I'll just double check this quickly. I'm using a bit.ly link. You can use your bit.ly link. I wouldn't use a raw affiliate link. Or sometimes I use my pretty link from my website, which looks like this. This is inside of my website, and these are all of my pretty links inside of there. So where's my email? So here's my email. It looks good. I've got my launch date in there, and I'm going to just copy that bit.ly link and put it inside the website URL. You're going to need that because this email is going to show up in everybody's email this gets sent out to, and this link will have will be posted with the credit link. So when they click on it, they get credits. And if you're watching this, you probably already know about this. But if you don't, just so you know, you get credits when you click on these links. Not the ones inside the body of the email, but the ones that show up that says credit link. Get credits when you click on this link. So I'm going to click to check your email links, and this is the page that shows up. And if you noted, I had two email links within the body of my email, and then I had one where it said submit your website link. So I'll click on test my URL and make sure it works. And it does work. And the only reason my WordPress toolbar shows up here is because I have my WordPress site show open at the moment, but when I'm logged out, that shouldn't show up. So it says my link is approved, and make sure you wait until this little pop-up comes up to say your link is approved before you move forward. So I'll click on OK, and then it says my link is approved. OK. And then I'll click on next step. So now here's the really cool thing about it is it says the button below will approve your email to be sent from this site. You can also send this email from the sites listed below that you linked to your account. So all of those sites that are listed under here are now listed here. Check the boxes next to each site you want to send from, and then click the button to approve the email. Well, they're already highlighted, and they wouldn't be highlighted if I didn't have enough credits within. And you can see here, these 4 sites below, I don't have enough credits in them. I've already used them up. It says here, need more credits at all active mailer, minimum 100. So I've used those credits up already, but I have tons of credits at all these other sites. So my email is going to go out to all of these. And well, look, I have 2,400, 2,300, 1,500, 1,800, like add all up all of these, and it's probably going to get sent out to about 40,000, 35,000 members. Now, some of the members are going to receive the email twice, so maybe it's going to get to maybe about 3,000 unique members. So that's okay. And this is how I've been building my list for the offer that I'm promoting. So then there's a button down here. It says approve email to be sent at 100% mailer and checked sites. So I agree, I want to send these all out. I'll click on that. And here it says my email was approved, and it was also approved to be sent to all of those sites. So is that not cool, you guys? This saves so much work. In so many other Safelist and traffic exchange sites, you have to log into each individual site and submit your email, and then log out, and then log into the next site, do it all over again, log out, log in, and on and on and on. Whereas this I submitted the email once and it's gone out to all of these sites at the same time. So if you would like to know more or to join these sites, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description, and you can join for free. Now, if you join for free, you can only send one solo ad out every 3 days. But if you join as a premium subscriber, you can send a solo out each and every day. So I'm a premium subscriber, so I can send out 3 solo ads a day, actually. So sorry, you guys. I think that's correct. Here I go making a video and don't know all the details, but really the important thing is that you can send an email with one click and it goes out to all of these members. And the other thing about these safe lists is not everybody is going to read your emails. I'll give you an example here. A lot of them show up in my spam folder. I also have my safe list sites show up. I have my safe list emails show up in a folder. Here's one here. So they all come in here, or they go to my spam. But here we are, safe lists. So they all come here. And so you can click on any of these emails to get your credits. So Legends, let's just say, we'll click on this one. And when you scroll down, it will say here, click this link to earn your mailing credits. And you wait your 15 seconds or whatever. And then you get credited for clicking on the site. And this is how you can build up your credits. Okay, so I hope that this all made sense for you. Once again, if you like this video, make sure you click the like button below. Subscribe to my channel. It helps to boost me up in the rankings if you do. And I sure could use some extra rankings right now. So I would really appreciate that. And once again, I'm Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad. I hope you like this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.